Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to speed up Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop and you want to boost your Windows speed, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to click on this window icon or start button, and here you just have to search for adjust. Once you write here adjust, you will see setting of adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Just simply open this, and here you will see different options. You just have to select visual effects and under visual effects just select adjust for best performance. And once you have selected, just click on apply and then click on OK. Now once you have done, it will change every setting of your PC for best performance. So in this way you can easily boost up your PC or Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.